This video will demonstrate how to create a supplemental source integration for EBSCO Discovery Service. Let's take a look at supplemental sources once they have been created on the new user interface. Please note that supplemental sources are an integration, and integrations are available only on EBSCO Discovery Service. Once configured, your supplemental sources will sit under the Research Tools menu on the landing page. And a supplemental source allows users to access a static landing page where they can link out to additional sources that the library subscribes to. This could include additional platforms, and it may also include internal help resources. Let's take a look at how we can configure these using the EBSCO Experience Manager platform. Administrators will require access to EBSCO Experience Manager to configure supplemental sources. The settings to set up your supplemental sources are available in the Integrations menu. Please note that integrations are applicable to EBSCO Discovery Service profiles only. In the Integrations Overview page that I've just clicked into, we can also from here edit and apply integrations to a particular profile or to all profiles. When I'm in the Overview page, I can also search for particular integrations. Using the search box, I can view any enabled integrations for this profile and any disabled integrations for this profile. By default, we will see all. You can also sort the integration options by category, which is the current display, or alphabetically. You can also access the integration menu on the left-hand side by using the expand option and locating the relevant integration you would like to create. In this case, we're going to set up a supplemental source. I will come over into the edit button and make sure I'm in the correct profile. Click into custom and ensure you use the slider to enable the integration to show. The next step down allows me to change or customize the page title of your supplemental source. Now, this is simply a text label. To create the integration or the supplemental source, I'll click into Add Source. Please note we can have up to 21 of these. I currently don't have any on this particular profile, so I'm seeing 0 of 21. I'll then need to provide some link text, a description for the supplemental source, and then I can include a URL without a search term, or depending on the platform, I may like to include a URL with a search term. This is optional. If I'm setting up a ProQuest supplemental source and I have access to a widget iframe URL, I could also include this option here. For this example, I'm going to use a URL without a search term. I'm going to be providing the URL to our EBSCO Connect site. Once it's been created, we can see I have 1 of 21 resources available here. I've also got some actions where I could edit the details of this supplemental source. If I no longer require the supplemental source, I can delete it by clicking the trash can icon. And if I have up to 21 resources here, I can also move them around using my arrows. Now that I've created that, I'm going to go ahead and click on Publish. This is really important to ensure that it publishes that change to my profile. And as I'm only focusing on an individual profile today, I can see the affected profile where this supplemental source will be applied. So that is now done. Now to access my supplemental source, let's take a look at my page. You can see in Research Tools, I now have supplemental sources created. And here is the additional source that I've created, my link text and the link out, and the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For further support, please visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.